Hello, my name is Michaela Moser, and I recently transferred to the University of Nebraska at Kearney. I am studying inclusive and early childhood education with a special emphasis on special education. I have a huge background in computer programming. In fact, I recently transferred here from the University of California at San Diego, where I was studying a Bachelor's of Science in Computer Science. While I was there, I took several electives on education and started even writing curriculum that was based on programming for children of all ages, from kindergarten to high school age, and I fell in love with it. I absolutely adored making programs that would teach younger individuals, and writing that kind of curriculum really brought a passion and a fire in my life that I hadn't felt uh, for programming. I really do love programming and I'm very passionate about it. But the problem is a lot of people don't realize the dangers of technology, and that most of the time you're creating algorithms that get people addicted to social media or cause them to spend money on unnecessary things because, that's how the algorithms work. I don't think algorithms were meant to be nefarious or by any means, but I'm hoping to use my programming background for good and not for anything unethical. And so I've decided it's important that I get out there and teach everything I know to kids and let them understand digital literacy at a level that probably most of, their teachers or any other technology individual they have encountered may not know themselves. So I am thoroughly immersed in technology and I have a pretty decent background in teaching. So I really am looking forward to learning new ways to incorporate it into my teaching.